Welcome to Choice Champions. The best air fryer cookbook is probably one of the most exciting kitchen companions for anyone new to air frying. This cookbook is a fantastic resource, packed with easy-to-follow recipes perfect for beginners. It simplifies the air frying process, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're looking to cook crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even delicious desserts, this cookbook has you covered, guiding you step by step to air frying success. Number 5. Air Fryer Cooking Guide, 270 Plus Foods. This air fryer guide features over 270 food entries across 5 categories. It includes many foods, and some exclusive ones you won't find anywhere else. It's the ultimate guide for all your air frying needs. Each food entry has been tested in air fryers to provide accurate cooking times and temperatures. You can experience accurate, hassle-free cooking for everyday meals with this expertly crafted guide. It's made with sturdy, waterproof, and tear-proof materials. The magnetic design and hanging hook provide years of value. It's also easy to clean. The stylish design incorporates easy access tabs and large, reader-friendly fonts. The menu item ordering and spacing between foods have been improved to enhance readability and navigation. This guide is compatible with many popular air fryers. It works with brands like Ninja, Instant Vortex, Kasori, and more. It's a versatile tool for any air fryer user. This air fryer cooking chart is elegantly packaged, making it the perfect gift for any occasion. Surprise your friends and family with this useful and thoughtful present. It's sure to add joy to their celebrations. What we like. This air fryer cooking guide offers an extensive list of over 270 food entries, ensuring you have a reference for almost any dish. It provides accurate cooking times and temperatures, taking the guesswork out of your cooking. If you are looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly guide to air frying, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cookbook provides a great variety of recipes. The recipes are easy to follow. The book has a lot of helpful information for beginners. Number 4. Ninja Foodi, Pressure Cooker That Crisps Cookbook. This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to master pressure cooking, air frying, and more. With this guide, you'll be creating delicious meals in no time. The Ninja Foodi Cookbook teaches you how to utilize all the functions of your appliance. It covers everything from pressure cooking to air frying and dehydrating. It's a comprehensive guide to get the most out of it. Don't worry if you're new to cooking, this cookbook is made for you. It provides clear instructions and easy-to-follow recipes. You'll be amazed at what you can create with this helpful guide. This cookbook is your expert guide to using the Ninja Foodi. It provides tips and tricks to help you become a pro in the kitchen. It will help you make the most of your appliance. Explore the world of ninja cooking with this official cookbook. It's packed with recipes and techniques to help you create amazing meals. Get ready to enjoy delicious food. What we like. This cookbook is your expert guide to pressure cooking, air frying, dehydrating, and more. It offers a variety of recipes suitable for beginners, making it easy to explore different cooking methods. If you have a Ninja Foodi and want to make the most of its features, this cookbook will be your best friend. What people say. The author does a great job at quickly explaining all of its functions. She also provides a wealth of recipes, many with ingredient swap ideas and uses. The information is excellent and answered a lot of our questions about how to use the cooker. We especially like the tables at the back with cooking instructions for individual items. There are so many amazing recipes you can make in the Ninja. I especially like the handy cooking time charts included in this book. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Grill Cookbook for Beginners. Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? This cookbook is packed with 75 delicious recipes. It's perfect for anyone looking to master their Ninja Foodi grill. This cookbook is designed with beginners in mind. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips. You'll be grilling and air frying like a pro in no time. Enjoy the taste of grilled food all year round. This cookbook helps you achieve perfect results indoors. It is a must-have for your kitchen. Discover the versatility of air frying. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes. It makes it easy to create crispy and healthy meals. This cookbook is part of the Ninja Cookbooks collection. It is a reliable resource for all your cooking needs. Get ready to explore a world of flavors. What we like. This cookbook focuses on indoor grilling and air frying, providing you with recipes for perfectly cooked meals. It offers a variety of recipes to help you master the art of indoor grilling and air frying. If you like the convenience of indoor grilling and want to expand your culinary skills, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. Lots of flavorful recipes inside. This is the book. It isn't made from newsprint, doesn't contain error after error, has nice color photos, just as you might expect. Excellent cookbook. I cook a lot and I have the Ninja grill for 2 years and use it all the time. This book has inspiring recipes. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? This cookbook is your guide to mastering the Ninja Air Fryer. It's packed with delicious recipes that are both quick and healthy. Inside, you'll find over 75 recipes designed specifically for beginners. This cookbook makes it easy to create crispy, flavorful meals with your air fryer. It's perfect for anyone new to air frying. Enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt. This cookbook helps you cook faster, healthier meals with amazing crispiness. It's a game changer for your kitchen. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create restaurant-quality meals at home. This cookbook makes cooking fun and accessible. Whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a weekend treat, this cookbook has you covered. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. The recipes are versatile and delicious. What we like. This cookbook is designed for beginners, offering over 75 recipes for faster, healthier, and crispier fried favorites. It simplifies the air frying process, making it easy to create delicious meals. If you are new to air frying and want to enjoy your favorite fried foods in a healthier way, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. He loves how easy it is and sorted by different type of food. Good recipes and seems easy. Nicely illustrated and pictures and print is nice. I am so glad I bought this to get me oriented to my new Ninja Max. Using an air fryer is a new dimension in culinary art, but it also is very different than using a conventional oven. This guide solves that problem nicely. Number 1. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets, 3-pack. Are you tired of searching for recipes every time you use your air fryer? These magnets take the guesswork out of cooking. With a quick glance, you'll know exactly how long to cook your food. These cooking guides provide accurate cooking times from top chefs. Unlike other guides, this ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. It's compatible with all air fryers, including Ninja, Instant Vortex, and more. This set includes 3 magnetic sheets. There's also a bonus conversion magnet to help with measurements. It covers over 100 foods, including a dessert section. Plus, you get a free recipe ebook. These magnets have a scratch-resistant, waterproof top layer. The heavy-duty backing sticks easily to your fridge. Double-sided tape is included for non-magnetic surfaces. It's a great gift for air fryer users. Why pay more for less? This value pack includes 3 magnets with accurate timings and unmatched quality. You can buy with confidence because we stand behind our products. If you're not satisfied, you can return them for a full refund. What we like. This set includes 3 magnetic sheets with accurate cooking times, taking the guesswork out of air frying. It provides a bonus conversion and measurement magnet, making cooking even easier. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive cooking guide, this set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. What people say. Lots of information about air frying, and came with a couple conversion charts. I'm sure they will be used often. This is a very useful resource for air fryer times. This is a great tool to know how long to cook meats, veggies, and more. I just bought my air fryer and had no idea what I was doing, so this guides, that I can put on my frig, are so helpful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.